Hey lovelies, this cucumber isn't just healthy, it's also pretty affordable and very delicious. Let's make it together. The ingredients are quite simple. So basically we'll be using only three ingredients, and the first thing we're going to be using is cucumber, which is the major ingredient. We'll also be needing some fresh tomatoes and some eggs. Of course, the first thing to do is to properly wash your ingredients. So I started by washing my tomatoes, and next I washed my cucumber thoroughly. In fact, I gave this a proper bath, literally. You can actually use salt or vinegar to properly wash this. So when that is done, you can go ahead and cut your cucumber into cubes. Depending on your preference, you can choose to cut it into big cubes or small cubes. And please, when you're getting your cucumber from the market, make sure you're getting a ripe cucumber. This is because if you get the unripe ones, at the end of the day, the peel of the cucumber may just give your cucumber a bitter taste, and you wouldn't want that. Making your cucumber salad can actually be done with or without the skin though, so it just depends on your preference. So while cutting the cucumber, make sure to properly remove all the seeds from the cucumber. So guys, if you have watched to this point, I appreciate you. Please do subscribe to my channel, like, and drop a comment down below. And if you have any questions for me, you can also drop the comments in the comment section as well. So we are done deseeding our cucumbers, and then we'll go over to the tomatoes. All the tomatoes are already very much deseeded, and we'll go ahead to cut the tomatoes and get it ready for the salad. When buying your tomatoes, make sure not to buy the soft ones because you wouldn't like how it's going to turn out. So after cutting the cucumbers and the tomatoes, I went ahead to dish it into a plate, and then I diced my egg. One reason why I like this salad is that it's so easy to put together. It's not something that you have to do too much. If you just have these three ingredients at home, you can put together something very delicious like this and eat it with your jollof rice, with your rice and stew. You can even just take it the way it is. It tastes so nice. Well, I added some mayonnaise to this and stirred. You make sure to stir very well. So if you're the type that's on a weight loss journey, well, cucumber salad is for you. Cucumber contains 95% of water and is very good for hydration. It's also very rich in fiber and very low in calories. On the other hand, for tomatoes, tomatoes are very rich in vitamin C, which can give your body an immunity boost. So if you have a hard time consuming raw tomato, this is a sign for you to go and do so. Just make cucumber salad. I added a little honey to this salad and it just takes the taste from 1 to 100. If it's sugar you prefer, you can add it. Guys, look at this creamy goodness. This right here is a must try and it's pretty affordable. Try this out at home and let me know you did. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.